His name Dominic.
Domini, terang tang tang tung tang ting tang tilang ting tung ting tang ting tung. Siema, weh, iya piękna, piękna.
Thanks.
Iya, jak się masz?
Zajebiście.
Dobrze. Nie rozumiem polsku.
Nie rozumiem.
Nie rozumiem. I speak English. Can you speak English?
Zajebiście.
Can you speak English?
Yeah, English.
Wah, very good. What is your name? Your name? What is your name?
Neta.
Nata. Hah?
Neta.
Oh, Neta.
Nata jestem. Neta.
Oh, Aneta. Anetna. Oke. Aneta. Yeah. Very good. Iya, you drink hari enggak? My name is gorengan dingin.
And you name?
My name is gorengan dingin. Tuh permintaan subscriber gue hati.
Ya.
Gorengan dingin. Can you say my name gorengan dingin? I write here. Gorengan dingin.
Oh my god. Gorengan. Oh my god.
Gorengan dingin.
Gorengan dingin?
Iya. Yeah. Gorengan dingin. Iya.
Gorengan dingin. Gorengan dingin?
Yes. Waduh. Wah. Dikeplak. Your head dikeplak sama siapa tuh? Iya. Is it hurt? Waduh. Parah. Iya, your sister. Paling dikeplak, bos. Petuk kayak dah. Anda aja lah kalau Ome dah lucu banget. Can you repeat yes them Guppy?
I am stupid.
What is your name? Hello.
Julia.
Oh, Julia. Very good. And his name apa? His name.
His name Dominic.
Domini, terang tang tang tung tang ting tang tilang ting ting tang ting tung. Domini, tereng ting tudung tung teng tung. Domini, tereng tung tung. You know the song? Wah, rame banget. Siema. Weh deh. Mantap. Wah, rame banget, bro. Yak siemaz. Wah.
Siapa ya?
Iya. Dobze. Aduh, habis lagi dah kopi gue. Nggak bisa gaya dong. Iya. You from Warsaw, ya.
Warsaw?
Iya. Ye bachpis. Iya. Aduh. Iya dah. Pinter kan gue? You rame-rame. You crowded. What are you doing? Coronavirus. Iya. Iya, so you are inside room. You are not go to school because coronavirus. Yeah. The school is closed, shut down. Yeah. Waduh, iya. You lagi nongkrong, chatting with your friend. Yeah. Iya, nongkrong apa sih bahasanya? Iya dah, very good. You jangan ini gue dong, jangan liatin gue. What's your name? Wah, you many people here. Iya, atu one by one. Iya, you siapa namanya? What your name? Nah, Andri dulu. Oh, ada dia. I cannot. Lewandowski. Apa? Richard. Iya, you who hold the doll? Iya. Oh, yeah, very good name. And you have a hoodie? Iya, apa itu? Iya, siapa namanya?
What's your name?
What's your name? You laughing.
Try.
Oh, shy. Why you shy gitu. Ih. Iya dah, rame banget bang. How old are you? You student? Yeah.
16.
Oh, 16. Oh, you high school ya? High school student ya?
Yeah.
Iya dah, tanya gua dong. Iya. Iya, greeting from Indonesia. I am from Indonesia. Iya.
Indonesia.
Iya, Indonesia is red and white. Iya kan? You kan white and red. My country is red and white. Kita tuker gitu. You arisan. Iya. Polis mulu katanya. You eat gorengan. You eat pierogi ya? Pierogi. Yeah. Iya, you eat pierogi mulu sih ente. Aduh.
Pierogi is the best.
Wah, the best food in Poland ya? Iya. How many zloty? How much? How much? One pierogi, how much zloty? Yeah.
It's about one zloty.
Oh, one zloty. You get one pierogi. Yeah. Oh, iya. Lumayan juga mahal ya.
What are you eating?
Ini namanya cireng. Cireng. Iya kan, you say cireng. Iya. Iya.
Hi, are you my daddy? Hi, are you my daddy?
Bitch, what the fuck?
Daddy.
Are you my daddy?
Are you my daddy?
You are sugar baby?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
I am.
you are kurva. Yeah.
I'm speaking Polish.
Yes, I am.
Polish?
No, tylko kurwa.
Yeah. Not kurva, sugar baby. Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Your hair colorful. Yeah. Iya, colorful. Ini ada yang blonde, red, yeah.
They are
Black.
purple.
Oh.
It's purple.
Wow.
They are purple.
Oh, purple, yeah, purple.
Yeah, purple.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry because
You look like a ninja.
ninja. Waduh,
Yeah. Yes. Are you ninja?
ninja. No. I am not
Are you my
ninja.
buddy?
Ninja? No.
Iya, you drink what tuh? Drink what? What you drink?
I drink tea.
Oh,
drink
tea. Ah,
It's so
iya.
tasty.
Wah, you. Why you like that? Wah, you boy, kurva. Aduh.
Iya, Poland.
Iya, you Poland tuh. Iya, you use stocking. Iya. Waduh.
Juventus. Hey, Juventus.
Iya. Wah.
Where are you from?
I am from Indonesia. Iya, you from Warsaw ya, Warsaw.
No, Warsaw.
Oh, you from
Brzyska.
oh, what?
Brzyska, Poland.
Jiska, Poland. Oh, iya, I thought you were in the Poznan kali dah.
Brzyska is the strong man.
Oh, strongman, iya, athletic. Athletic.
Yeah.
Iya, athletic people. Iya, UFC. Nah, iya, wrestling. Gini arm wrestling. Gitu.
Street fight.
Hah?
No UFC, no UFC, no ten. Kurwa, co ty napierdolisz, nie wiem. Ten. Street fight.
Street fight. Oh, you fighting in the street. Buat gitu. Iya.
Yes.
Aduh.
Kurwa, wiesz, takie kurwa bańkę wypierdalasz mu w łeb. Tym.
Waduh, jirigen. Iya.
Bomba na banie, kończymy balet.
Iya, pak gitu ya. Wah, kayak iya. Like GTA 5 ya. Bang gitu. Iya, kayak Franklin. Ente dah pukul-pukulin apa itu. Are you smoking? You in the garage. Iya.
Jak się mówi papier w angielsku?
Iya, are you in the garage?
Garage, yes.
Oh,
garage.
you're in the garage. You have itu wheel ya. Apa sih ban tuh?
Yeah.
Tuh. Ban apa tuh? Bang.
You like Juventus? You like Juventus?
Juventus Cristiano Ronaldo. Iya.
Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Iya, you.
Juventus have the best goalkeeper.
Iya, apa? Buffon. Oh, Szczesny. Iya. Bocie Szczesny. Iya, very hard. Iya, very hard to pronounce Polish. Iya, so many consonant word. Ente use physical distancing because of COVID-19. Iya.
What?
You make a physical distancing with your brother because of coronavirus. Oh, you kenapa jauh-jauhan? Far-away-an apa sih? Iya, you very sweet. Iya, what's your name?
Julia.
Wah,
Mogosha.
Yulia and siapa? Mogosa. Oh, oke. Mogosa apa siapa sih? Mogosa ya? Iya, why are you silent? Yeah, you chatting dong. Your English very good, your English. Iya.
Thank you.
Your face not appear. Nggak kelihatan. Apa sih? Iya. Why your face only half? The other half belum lunas.
Because I'm ugly.
You are very piengkna.
Thank you so much.
Iya, don't be shy. Iya, I am not handsome, but I am I have confidence aja dah. Wah, gila, you cosplay. You do cosplay. Waduh, your hair like apa ya? Like a Goku. Yoi. Your connection very bad. I'm sorry, you broken your picture. Nih, tuh. Wah. You cosplay who? Siapa? Cosplay siapa? What? Oh iya. Your connection very bad. Geruduk, kretek. Gitu. Like a hujan, deras dot, heavy rain. Kuna. Your router di restart dulu kalau kata IndiHome. Your router restart. Then same again, sama-sama aja. Nah.